Oh no, Amy, look, Madman fell down.
Oh no, I see his parts all over the floor.
Yeah.
I see a big curve.
Oh, I see a big curve too.
I see a little curve.
Me too, here it is.
And a big line.
Oh, I see a couple big lines.
Yeah, and some little lines too.
Oh yeah, right here. Oh, there's his face parts.
Hands. Let's put them back together.
Okay, let's do it.
We have a cool song that goes with this. It goes, Matman has one head, one head, one head. Matman has one head. And it goes right there. Matman has two eyes, two eyes, two eyes. Matman has two eyes. And they go right there. Matman has one nose, one nose, one nose. Matman has one nose. And it goes right there. Matman has one mouth, one mouth, one mouth. Matman has one mouth. Oh, and it goes right there. Matman has two ears, two ears, two ears. Matman has two ears. And they go right there. Matman has one body, one body, one body. Matman has one body. And it goes right there. Matman has two arms, two arms, two arms. Matman has two arms. And they go right there. Whoops, whoopsie. Matman has two hands, two hands, two hands. Matman has two hands. And they go right there. Matman has two legs, two legs, two legs. Matman has two legs. And they go right there. Matman has 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. Matman has 2 feet. And they go right there.
Yay! We made him again!
Aww.
Check out our next video. We're going to be drawing Matman.
Thank you.